Okay, so next up, fourth in this lineup, we're going for Argos's heavy hitter, Triumph of Bacchus Extrait. Absolutely tremendous. And look at that bottle. That bottle is a work of art, ladies and gentlemen. What a fragrance. So we've gone from a bright summer fragrance to a more kind of autumnal kind of fragrance. Now this one has got white peach in the top. It's a bit different from other fragrances, but that's the key player here. You've got some rum and green apple, a little bit of spiciness from the saffron as well. Then you've got some lovely earthy notes as you go through, patchouli, vetiver, white florals, which keeps it clean. But this is a nice open and fruity blast. Then you get some good earthy notes before you get some vanilla and amber in the base, which is your typical combination. Absolute compliment grabber. And then you've got a little bit of tobacco and a bit of musk there, so it retains a masculine edge as it dries down. But the opening, it's certainly bright, it's fruity, it's boozy, it's strong. This one projects and it lasts all day. This one is the Extrait version, one of Christian Petrovich's jewels in his crown. What a wonderful fragrance. Now for me, this does lean slightly masculine as it goes on, but I think it could be unisex. A woman could wear this at lighter sprays, but this is very deep. It's got a lot of notes in here. The depth, the quality, the pop of the notes. That white peach is a stunner when mixed with the rum, but as it moves through, the vanilla and the amber comes through. It keeps it warm, it keeps it projecting. The compliments will be there. For me, Triumph of Bacchus Extrait by Argos is a wonderful fragrance. Day socials, evening socials, date nights, somewhere where you want to be noticed. Grab this and watch those compliments come in.